Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is August 24th, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by about 50 cents this morning. You'll see right now they are sitting right at 21.85 and 3/4 per contract. So futures trading a little bit higher ahead of the opening bell. Now today is the 1-year anniversary of last year's August 24th flash crash. So we did have a crash last year at this time. We don't see the same thing on the radar this time, but then again, you never know. So we'll see what this market has in store for us today. It is a pretty significant 1-year anniversary from last year. All right, looking at the charts today, that's where the money's going to be made. We'll see how this all plays out. We're going to take a look at some stocks in the news. First one here is going to be Express. This retailer has come out with earnings. Stock closed at $16.03. It is now trading at $12.60. So this stock is getting hammered to the downside. I think it wants to go lower. It looks like it held $12 so far. There will be a little bit of support there, but reality is this is a weak name. I don't even see a level that really appeals to me unless we got down to around $10.70. If we got down there, that would be a little bit of an attractive spot if you ask me. Until then, I will leave the name alone. There's nothing to do here for Express. So be a little bit careful. This is a big sell-off in this name. Next one on the radar is going to be Lazy Boy, LZB. And this stock is getting hit as well. Stock closed at $31.20 yesterday. It is now trading at $26.90 this morning. Did briefly get down towards the 25 level yesterday after the market closed and the earnings were reported. But right now sitting right at $26.90. So we'll see how this plays out. I do have levels for this name. So again, I'll post those up in the intraday stock chat room. I must warn everybody. This stock comes with a little higher risk because it is not a stock that is very liquid. And what I mean by that is on a general or a good day, it trades around 200,000 shares or less. So again, it's not a very good high volume name, which is what we really like. This is a lighter volume name. These levels can overshoot, but I will have significant levels posted for us, and we'll look at that area if it does get into that zone. Let's take a look at INTU, INTU, the accounting software company. The stock right now is trading at 108.12. This closed at 113.84. So this stock is trading sharply lower this morning. I'm going to have gap levels for this one as well. Right off the bat, though, this is a big decline, and I think traders should take note of that. Lower in the cards is probable. This stock has a tendency to be a big mover from time to time. It trades right around 1 million shares, so this usually obeys levels pretty decently. Some days it doesn't trade 1 million shares, so just be aware these levels can overshoot a little bit, but not all that much. Let's take a look at LCI, which is Lannett. Lannett is catching a pretty solid bid. The stock closed at $32.32. It is now trading up around $37.39. So decent little move there. I'm going to have some levels for this. Right off the bat, I'm thinking somewhere around the 38.50 level should be some resistance, but I will try to get a more specific number for everybody once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at DY, which is Dycom. And what you're going to see, Dycom Industries trading sharply lower. Stock closed at $91.94. It is now trading at $87.58. This is a big decline. I see levels for this one as well. But again, this is not a stock that trades any kind of volume. Just trades around 300,000-400,000 shares a day. These stocks can overshoot. Right now, when I look at this name, I have to think that $78.83 is going to be the next support level that would interest me. Yes, it's that much lower. So again, be a little bit careful here with this name right off the bat. Let's take a look at Canadian Solar. This is a stock we all know pretty well. CSIQ is a ticker symbol. Looks like this is catching a bid lower as well. Closed at $13.46. Now it's trading at $13.11. This is a stock that's under some pressure again today. So there's definitely some moving parts out here. Not a lot of action as far as the earnings go, but we got a few names on the board. Let's shift our attention now to the gold market. Gold is trading down $10.50 today. Right now, gold futures trading at $13.3560 an ounce. Let's go to the GLD, which is good gold ETF, and you're going to see that That has come off the lows a little bit, but it's still down significantly from yesterday's close. Right now, GLD is trading at 127.09, closed at 127.76. So it is reflecting the downtick here, and you're seeing gold move a little bit lower at this time. Crude oil is also down about 90 cents today, trading right now at $47.21 a barrel. Right now, when you look at spot crude, you have to think that it's due for some kind of a pullback after its big run last week. Right now, the USO, which is a good oil ETF, is trading at 10.92, closed at 11.09. So oil pulling back, gold pulling back. That only tells us one thing: dollar is catching a bit of a bid, and sure enough, the dollar is trading higher on the day. So again, that's what we're seeing. We'll see how this market plays out a little bit later. And again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we are doing in there. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.